Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California at my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating in the Hocus Pocus 3-part challenge, and this is being hosted by the lovely Krista from Crafty Kitty. Part 1. She's asking that we DIY or revamp a home decor item. And in my case, I revamped 2 colanders and a serving platter and turned them into a 3-tier stand. And I also DIY the potion bottles. This one says Crafty Kitty. I would like to thank Krista for hosting this Hocus Pocus 3-part challenge. I'll be linking below her channel and also the playlist to each and every one of the challenges. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. So if you like my video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Happy Halloween!